if you have metal fillings in your mouth, according to Dr. Baghdasaryan, you got to get rid of them, and you can do it in one day. We're talking about tooth in a day here. Okay, so it is that simple, though.
It's very simple.
Tooth in a day.
With E4D technology, we can make a restoration in one day.
And you own the machine?
In one visit. Yeah, I own it.
So it's right there on site.
It's an awesome machine, and that's where the technology and the dentistry is moving right now, towards the CAD/CAM dentistry that can manufacture very precise crowns and very natural looking. With E4D system right now, instead of using a traditionally inconvenient and messy impression materials, a dentist can obtain clear and fast digital impressions in a few minutes with a laser scanner in the mouth. This laser scanning technology is not only extremely precise, but it's also as safe as the checkout scanner at the grocery store.
Really?
Best of all, the patients don't need to hold that unpleasant and possibly distasteful impression material in their mouth.
Do people complain about that?
A lot.
Does it make your jobs easier as well?
So much easier, and they feel happy. And with the patients who had, there are some patients who have gagging reflexes to foreign materials, foreign objects, especially when it touches the back part of their palate. For those patients, this is the way to go. No impression material. After the scanning is done, the tooth is designed in the computer with very highly intuitive tools. And
so it's simple. It's just
very simple.
Simply done.
And then the design center transfers the information to the milling unit, which mills the crown in front of patient's eye.
And this is the future of dentistry. Just go in, it's all done in the same day.
Very soon, probably in 5-10 years, all the dental offices would have that technology.
IV sedation. What about people, because you do sedation, people watching this, we get a lot of questions, by the way, emails about being sedated. What do you say to them? They've neglected their mouth, they haven't been to a dentist because they're afraid of the dentist. What do you say to them?
The patients who are so scared of dentistry, they don't go to a dentist. That's right. They neglect their teeth. I would just encourage them to go to a dentist and talk about the possibilities. Right now, it's possible to overcome the fear with sedation.
Do they get to meet with you? Do they meet with you?
All the patients that come to my office, they meet with me.
You don't seem like a dentist, by the way. You also have an MBA, I should mention. You went to Loma Linda, you went to USC, very friendly guy. Do people say you don't seem like a dentist? Do they ever say that to you?
A lot of times, because we talk with our patients. Sometimes we talk about everything else other than dentistry. We just, when the time allows, we discuss our hobbies. We talk about the business, about sports, about movies, about music, about everything.
Now we're out of time. Final message, though, or other advantages. What have we left out? Advantages for this machine, tooth in a day.
My patients really like the fact that they don't get to wear temporaries. When the patients go for a crown, once the tooth is prepped, doctor makes a temporary crown that would stay there, is supposed to stay there for a couple of weeks until the permanent restoration is ready. Those temporary crowns can come out sometimes, particularly in a very uncomfortable time. And,
all right.
And they don't need to come back and forth to put it back. They also like the fact that they will avoid the second shot during the second sitting visit. Nobody likes the shot. Yeah. And these crowns are since the crown is full porcelain, it's very healthy to the gum. It looks more authentic, more aesthetic. It doesn't create a gum irritation. I've noticed a lot of crowns, porcelain fused to metal crowns, create puffy gums around it, and the gums bleed sometimes, which is the negative reaction to the metal or the restoration that they have. With these restorations, the gum stays healthy. It's very important for the patient.
And finally, I should mention, your website is cyberdentistry.com.
The name of our company is Cyberdent. Cyber has to do with cybernetics, and dent has to do with dentistry. Our practice philosophy is based on utilizing the cutting-edge technology to be able to provide the best possible care for our patients.
So you're a cyber dentist?
Yeah.
All right, okay. Well, I want to thank you for coming on the show. Very good.
Thanks for having me.
You've been watching The Wellness Hour, the leader in medical news and information. I'm Randy Alvarez. If you would like to see this interview again, you can go online at wellnesshour.com. You can put in cyber dentist, you can put in metal-free dentistry, or Dr. Baghdasaryan's name. For now, or tooth in a day. For now, I wish you good health.